小豬課室 Piggy Classroom
Hi everyone, welcome to Piggy Classroom. Hello 各位小朋友，歡迎嚟到小豬課室。Today we're going to learn about simple common phrases and words. 今日我哋會學下啲簡單嘅常用字句。Good morning， 早晨，早晨。You try. Get up, 起身，起身。Your turn. Go to potty, 去廁所，去廁所。Brush teeth, 刷牙，刷牙。Your turn. Wash face, 洗面，洗面。Your turn. Wash hands, 洗手，洗手。Your turn. 洗手。Dry hands, 抹手，抹手。Your turn. Open door, 開門，開門。Your turn. 開門。Close door, 閂門，閂門。Your turn. 閂門。Change diaper, 換片，換片。Your turn. 換片。Light on, 開燈，開燈。Your turn. 開燈。Light off, 熄燈，熄燈。Your turn. 熄燈。Press button, 撳掣，撳掣。Your turn. 撳掣。Eat breakfast, 食早餐，食早餐。Your turn. 食早餐。Bottle, 奶樽，奶樽。Your turn. 奶樽。Drink milk, 飲奶或者食奶。Your turn. Put clothes on, 着衫，着衫。Your turn. 着衫。Put pants on, 着褲，着褲。Your turn. 着褲。Put socks on, 着襪，着襪。Your turn. 着襪。Put shoes on, 着鞋，着鞋。Your turn. 着鞋。Put slippers on, 着拖鞋，着拖鞋。 Your turn. 着拖鞋。Colouring 油顏色。油顏色。Your turn. 油顏色。Sing 唱歌。唱歌。Your turn. 唱歌。Dance 跳舞。跳舞。Your turn. 跳舞。Read 睇書 or 讀書。Your turn. 睇書。讀書。Play 玩。Do you like to play? 玩。玩。玩。Play with toys 玩玩具。玩玩具。Your turn. 玩玩具。Swim 游水。游水。Your turn. 游水。Jump rope 跳繩。跳繩。Your turn. 跳繩。Friends 朋友。朋友。Your turn. 朋友。Playing blocks 積木。積木。Your turn. 積木。Sit down 坐低。坐低。Your turn. 坐低。坐低。Stand up 企起身。企起身。Your turn. 企起身。Cook 煮飯。煮飯。Your turn. 煮飯。Clean up 執玩具。執玩具。到你。Your turn. 執玩具。Eat lunch 食晏。食晏。到你。Your turn. 食晏。Hungry 肚餓。肚餓。到你。Your turn. 肚餓。肚餓。Thirsty 口渴。口渴。到你。Your turn. 口渴。Eat 食嘢。食嘢。到你。Your turn. 食嘢。食嘢。Drink water 飲水。飲水。到你。Your turn. 飲水。Yummy 好味。好味。到你。Your turn. 好味。好味。Full 飽。飽。到你。Your turn. 飽。飽。Please 唔該。唔該。到你。Your turn. 唔該。Thank you，多謝 or 唔該，多謝，唔該。到你 your turn。Sorry，對唔住，對唔住。Your turn，到你。對唔住。Nap，瞓晏覺，瞓晏覺。Your turn，到你。瞓晏覺。Snack，食小食，食小食。到你 your turn， 食小食。Eat rice， 食飯 or 扒飯，食飯，扒飯。到你 your turn， 食飯扒飯。Set table， 開台，開台。到你 your turn， 開台。Eat dinner， 食晚飯，食晚飯。到你 your turn， 食晚飯。Wipe table， 抹台，抹台。到你 your turn， 抹台。Do dishes， 洗碗，洗碗。到你 your turn， 洗碗。Bath time， 沖涼，沖涼。到你 your turn， 沖涼。Yawn， 打喊路，打喊路。到你 your turn， 打喊路。Sleepy， 眼瞓，眼瞓。到你 your turn， 眼瞓，眼瞓。Sleep， 瞓覺，瞓覺。到你 your turn， Good night， 早唞，早唞。Good job, guys!
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you. 如果鍾意呢條學習影片，請 like 同埋 subscribe。